Let's bring our guest back into it. We have our good detective with us. There you see him on the left-hand side of your screen. And we have Joe Tacopina's partner, George von Vlachis, with us. And I'm guessing, George, you say about this witness, so what? So what? He knew the guy well. He has no direct knowledge of what happened in this case. And the gambling, you know, obviously he has no knowledge even of how difficult that may have been on the family life and on Melanie McGuire. So I'm sure you say, so what? But my question to you, George, is if Melanie McGuire is not guilty, then who is? Are you going? Is your firm going with the Atlantic City bad boys a la The Sopranos got him because he had gambling debts? Or is someone else perhaps responsible?
Well, Jamie, I think what the defense is that, and we're hoping that the jury sees this too, is that we don't know who committed this crime. Nobody knows who committed this crime, and we're offering this gambling problem as a possibility, as an alternate possibility. Now, I wanted to comment on what this witness said about this $15,000 bank account and that Mr. McGuire didn't touch it. Well, we all know that gambling is a problem for some people, as alcoholism is. And there's such a thing as a functioning alcoholic. There's also such a thing as a functioning gambler. The mere fact that he didn't touch this $15,000 doesn't mean that he wasn't in debt, that he wasn't owing some very shady people a lot of money in Atlantic City. And I know the prosecution has been trying to sort of quash this idea that he had a gambling problem. And earlier in the trial, they had his boss testify that it was his understanding that Bill had profited, so to speak, from gambling, and that he wasn't in the hole. So I think they realize that this is also a problem, and these witnesses have been in some way prepared to face these questions by the defense.
Yeah, and I think you raise a good point.